The air smelt like stale bread and old secrets. A single note, crumpled and half-eaten, lay inside an innocent sandwich. Words dripped with cruelty. Memories surged, hot and bitter, igniting a fury buried deep within. Each slice whispered of revenge, a quiet chant echoing in her mind. To them, she was simply a caretaker, but they had forgotten the scars they left. With a sinister smile, she measured out the final meal. Vengeance grew deep. The feasting began. Laughter echoed, mixing with the scent of something foul hidden beneath. An unsettling pattern. He felt the chill of something vile lurking beneath the surface. She wore a mask of innocence, but darkness slithered just beneath her soul. The meals, they coincide with the illnesses. His words hung heavy and accusatory. A flick of her wrist revealed the blade. What's for lunch, detective? Fear erupted, screams followed, and desperation painted the walls. A sinister shadow retreated, leaving whispers hanging in the air. The legacy of dread had only just begun.